Hey everybody! When it comes to posting on your website or blog, having a solid headline is a great place to start. But a great way to follow that up is with a solid subheading. Subheadings are excellent ways to reinforce your headline while providing extra information regarding what you have to offer. And now, Simplified's AI has a template designed to help you to create your own subheadings. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it. To start, we'll come over here and click Generate Copy. Then we'll come down here and click Explore Templates, and from this page we'll scroll on down until we land on the Landing Page Subheadings template, where you can write SEO optimized section headings for your landing page. Let's click on that. Now we'll fill out the prompts, which include selecting our language, entering our product name, entering a brief description of our product or service, and lastly, up to 4 keywords about our product or service. Once we've finished filling out the prompts, we can always apply advanced options, which include selecting the number of results we would like to receive in the first round, as well as the creativity level we'd like to receive them in. We can turn the advanced options either on or off by clicking this toggle switch right here. And when we're ready, all we have to do is click Generate. And look at that! Simplified's AI has taken the information I provided and presented me with landing page subheadings that I can use on my website right away. If you'd still like to see more landing page subheading results, just continue to click the Generate button again and again until you're satisfied with your options. Once you're done generating results, you can always click these heart icons to select your favorites. Click this icon to copy a specific result to your clipboard so that you can paste it wherever you wish. Click this trash can icon to delete the results you don't wish to keep. And of course, click these 3 dots if you would like to edit the result to give it more of your own voice. For more tips and tricks on how Simplified's AI can help you to better utilize the search engine optimization for your website, sign up at simplified.com. See you there!